What's up, friends? Why am I gonna say what's up, AA squad? Anyways, guys, what's up, everybody? So welcome back to my channel, and as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going hygiene shopping at Target again. Now, guys, like I keep on saying, I keep on coming back because, you know, I keep on needing stuff. Like, you always need stuff. Why'd you just mess up my
bed? I didn't know.
Anyways, you always need stuff for, you know what I'm saying, your hygiene. Like, everything needs to get replaced. So I'm just going back in, replacing some stuff and looking at some stuff that I heard about. So we're just gonna, you know what I'm saying, go in there, get it done. You know what I'm saying, get all that, the gist of it done. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, my name is Akaya. I'm here doing hygiene, you know, hygiene shopping. I'm helping you guys smell fresh, look fresh, and stuff like that. So if you guys ever need, you know, help with what deodorant to pick or what body wash to get, or even what, you know, mouthwash or toothpaste or toothbrush to use, I am here for that. I'm here to help you. So stay tuned, stay watching, and we're finna go inside to Target. I'm parked right there. Y'all can never see Target, but I'm right there, and you guys can see Target right there. It's like, so we're gonna go in, I'm gonna get this stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna be talking with you guys today because obviously I need to refill some stuff and stuff like that. So let's go. Alright, you guys, so I'm walking into Target right here. I don't know what side I'm walking into, actually. I don't think I'm walking into the right side. Usually I walk into the right side to where the hygiene stuff is shown exactly when I walk in there, but I don't think I'm on that side today, so we're gonna have to walk all the way to the other side. Yeah, I'm not on that side today, guys. It's so surprising. I'm usually always on that side. And then they have those little, I don't want a buggy, I want a hand picker upper, if you guys know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna wait till I get over there, and then, or I might as well just get a buggy. There's one right here. I think that's a sign that I need to get one. I'm gonna just get one. Alright, this might be easier for me to walk, and I'm gonna roll you guys around. Y'all are gonna sit right here. I'm gonna roll you guys around. So we're gonna set you guys right here, and we're fit to go to the hygiene section, and then we're going to start. So, oh my gosh, like I was saying, guys, I have to stock up on some body wash. I know I got a whole bunch of body wash, but it goes by quickly whenever you be, you know what I'm saying, when you be bathing, like it be going through quickly. So I gotta go stock up on that. I have to stock up on some mouthwash as well because that's all gone. Everybody be using it, and the toothpaste as well. So we gotta go in and get a whole bunch of new stuff. So I'm just gonna go in, get everything. Look at some new stuff too. I don't know if you guys heard anything new. Comment down below if you've heard any hygiene products that are, you know what I'm saying, new and that work and stuff like that, because I'm interested in trying. I don't know about my face though, because my face is, you know what I'm saying, even though it doesn't really break out that much, it's still gonna break out a little bit if I use something too extreme. But if you guys have anything that you want me to try and tell you guys about, just let me know and I'll definitely do it. Alright, you guys, so here we are. This is the makeup section. We're gonna go into the hygiene section. They got the little makeup area right here. While we're here, I might as well just look at a few things because, you know what I'm saying, I do makeup a little bit. I do my mascara and I do my eyebrows and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go look at like some new mascara because I do that. And guys, I do think that's a part of hygiene because that makes you look cleaner, you know. And even if you don't use it, it's like, it doesn't really matter. I don't know. To me, if you do use it, you know, kind of it corresponds with hygiene as well. So we're going to be looking at Wet n Wild. This is mega volume. This amplifies, or you know, boost volume. It's supposed to boost your eyelashes, as you can see right there. They look like literally fake. Oh my goodness, making me want to get this, but I already have mascara. Wet n Wild has another one, which this is Boost Length. So it's supposed to lengthen your eyelashes. It's supposed to look more lengthy. And then they got all this other stuff too. This is some mascara. This is Rose All Day Mascara. It's supposed to add volume and length. That's promising. All right, we're gonna stop looking in here. I'm gonna go to the hygiene section so we can see what's going on. And here we are. We are at the hygiene section. I know you guys are very familiar with this place because I'm literally always here. But anyways, we're gonna look at some new stuff today, and we're gonna be restocking today. Okay, we're good. We're already by what I need to restock. We are by Burt's Bees chapstick. Y'all, I had watermelon, but I'm thinking I want to try a different one today. Ooh, this is lemon dragon fruit. That looks good. Oh, they even have vanilla bean, which I don't really know about that one. That seems pretty good. They have sweet mandarin and they have kiwi melon. I think I'm gonna go with dragon fruit lemon today though. I think that's a good little one to use. All right, y'all. So I'm going into the face care because I gotta stock up on face care. I've definitely gone out of it. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I use. I don't think I have it here, but it's by the brand CeraVe, or CeraVe, I mean, guys, sorry. CeraVe. I don't use this exact one. I don't know where it is. Oh, it's over there, but there's some people over there, so we're gonna wait. I'm gonna go somewhere else to go stock up on some body wash. So let's go over there, and then we'll come back whenever it's opened, because there's some people. I don't want to be hovering over them. So, all right, while I was going to the body wash, I obviously seen the lotion, which I wanted to stop by real quick and stock up on my lotion. And guys, y'all know the lotion I get, Clepafill. Clepafill is so good. Clepafill, guys, it's the best lotion you could possibly use. Now, guys, I'm gonna set y'all up real quick. Guys, let me tell y'all, Clepafill. Let me get the product. I'm gonna get it. Or Clepafill. Clepafill is the best lotion you could ever use. Okay, guys, so I use this lotion daily, constantly, every single doggone day, and obviously I need a refill because I be using it every day. It's just awesome. It doesn't smell, so if you're not really a fan of smelly lotions or, you know, scented lotions, Clepafill is it's the best. Okay, it's definitely good for moisturizing. It moisturizes your skin, and moisturizes everything, and it's so good. You can get any type of bottle you want, and it's just amazing. So we're gonna get that. There's some other ones too, like I said, CeraVe. I use this face wash. I don't really use their moisturizer. Another moisturizer that I use, but I switched to a different one. As you guys can see, I switched this one. I use Lubriderm. So I use this exact one. This one's really good. I have some at home, so I'm not really gonna stock up on this, but I have this at home and it's so good. It's really good for extra dry skin, guys. Like, I have extra dry skin on my feet and stuff. A little weird, a little too much information, but I do have dry feet, and like, I be using it on my feet and it's so smooth afterwards, and I'm like, what in the world? Like, how in the world did that happen? And I'm like, you know what I'm saying, it's a good lotion to use. Alvino, I use their face wash as well. We're not by the face wash, but I trust that they definitely do have good moisturizer because their face wash is amazing. I know they have some different ones, but I definitely use their face wash and it's amazing. So we're gonna go into the body wash like I was originally supposed to do, but I got hooked up with all this other stuff. This is the two things that I need to stock up on. I got some more stuff I need to stock up on, so we're gonna go into the next place, which is going to be over here by the body wash. So let's go. Alright, y'all, so somebody's in body wash as well, so we're gonna have to switch over to mouthwash. I said I had to freshen up, not freshen up, but, you know, restock on my mouthwash. And guys, I'm looking at this and I don't even know why they're portraying me like this, but they do not have my mouthwash that I usually get. Guys, my go-to mouthwash is literally Smart Mouth. It's not here. Now I'm just gonna use I guess Feeling. I guess I'm just gonna use Duro Breath because this one's really good too. The green one, we use the green one, and that's really good too. So that would be my replacement. But usually, if I come here, I'm definitely getting Smart Mouth. Okay. I don't know if you guys know what that looks like. I'll probably pop up a picture. Oh, actually, no, it's here. Okay, I'm gonna put this back. Guys, I see it. I just didn't look hard enough. It's here, guys. It's here. They just have a really tiny batch. Smart mouth. Oh my gosh, this one's so good. This one is filled with 2 different types of mouthwashes that are mixed together, and this prevents bad breath, and it's like it keeps your breath like, it doesn't like smell minty, but it makes it to where when you eat stuff, it does not stink afterwards, okay? And that's what I'm going for. You can eat gum with it, but I feel like that should be your target with mouthwash. Like, obviously you want your mouth to smell good, but if it smells like nothing, I feel like that's low-key kind of the same. I don't know. But now we're gonna look into some flosses, which y'all, flosses is definitely good for your teeth. I don't really go too fancy with the flosses. I just be getting the regular ones because, like, why in the world would I get, like, you know, some flosses, like, they all work the same to me. So I'm gonna get these plackers in their twin line, which is actually really good. So these are low-key a little fancy because they have the double, which I think you should get these because they get they work actually 10 times better than the regular ones, no lie. And yeah, I'm gonna put that in there. And now we're gonna go to the body wash, hoping nobody's there. Oh guys, we're by the toothpaste. I forgot. I do need some new toothpaste as well. It's supposed to be over here. I don't see it, guys. It's supposed to be, it's the white one. It's by Crest. Here it is. It's Crest. We got the toothpaste. This one is the best toothpaste ever. It's 3D white. It helps your teeth shine so bright like a diamond. And that's what they're saying. It's definitely brilliant, and it definitely whitens your teeth, and it gives you that peppermint tasty, you know what I'm saying, refreshed taste and smell, you know, if that makes sense. So now we're gonna go into body wash. Hopefully nobody's there, because guys, I don't know, like they were in the section that I was getting, because y'all know I love Dove. So they were in the Dove section, and I can't be sharing the Dove section, guys. I need that to myself. So we're gonna go over there and we're gonna see what body wash they got, and hopefully they got the one that I usually go to forever and ever. So we're gonna see. Let's see. Okay guys, we're by the deodorant as well. So deodorant, I don't really need to stock up on deodorant. I already got enough. So we are by Dove, and they have all of the good ones, guys. They have different types of you know, I love cucumber. I think I should change it up though. I don't know. I don't think I want to change it up today. But guys, I will change up which one I get, because I usually always get cucumber because it's so good. But I always get cucumber, but I think I should change it up. I don't feel like changing it up now. So I'm gonna get this one. And I think that's it for today. I think I got enough. I got what I needed. And as you guys can see, this is what I'm gonna go get. I'm gonna go bring it up, and we're gonna go get it, and then I'm gonna head out. So yeah, I'm gonna look at a few more stuff though before I go. I'm gonna look at that new stuff that I was telling you guys about, and then we are going to check it out and get dipping. So let's go. Alright you guys, so this is the one thing I want to try out. I've heard, like I said, I've heard that you're supposed to go to the, wait, is it not even here? You're supposed to go to the men's section for the natives because it smells better, but I don't think it's here. It looks like it's all out, guys. Like, it literally looks like it's all out. I don't, oh no, I'm in the wrong section. Oh my goodness, I'm in the wrong section. Okay, we're gonna go to the right section. We're going to the right section. Here it is. And here it is. They only got 2. They have sea salt and cedar, and then they have sandwood and shea butter, which I think the shea butter is gonna smell like literally shea butter, but we're gonna smell it anyway. And then we're finna head out, and then yeah, I'm definitely gonna give you guys my rating, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know what's up, because they say this one's supposed to smell better. I don't really know. We're finna smell it. Oh my gosh, I can't set it up right. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna try it out. I'm excited for this one. This one seems like it's gonna smell so good. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that smells really good. Okay, but I wouldn't want to smell like this though. It smells like a dude. Okay, we have this one as well. Okay, we have this one as well. Smell it. Oh, this one smells really good. I actually want it to smell like this. Okay. This one smells so good. I want to smell like this, guys. Like, this actually doesn't, I feel like this doesn't smell like dude. It smells like both a little bit. I don't know. Like, I want to smell like this. I ain't even lie. I'll base in this. God, this smells good. Let me go. All right. Because I already got my body wash. I don't need to get more body wash. So we're finna head out, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm finna pay for this and leave. And thank you guys for watching this video. And make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below what else should you do for my next video. Peace out.